Hi everyone, Richard here, Richard Guitar here for a 2 or dare I say 3 chord song depending on how you want to do this. This is Not 19 Forever by the Courteeners. Really great tune, and really quickly while you're here, if you can, I would be grateful if you could. Oh, ready for the launch? Oh, we nearly did it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, Charlotte. Throwing is absolutely useless. Here, catch it back. Oh, she caught it. Well done. Thank you, Charlotte. So, yes, that wasn't me. We might get her on set one day and just to say, hey there. Now, 2 chords, A chord and D chord. But we're also going to remove the middle finger from the D chord, which gives you a D sus2 or a D suspended second if you want to be fancy. Now, with the rhythm hand, A chord, D chord. Now, believe it or not, that's it. Okay, so you'd have she tried to feel me up, tried to listen. Other things that you'll hear on the record. I do think he's playing it down here in more of a triad approach, which I have some lessons on triad if you check out the channel. But for today, with this easy lightning lesson, A chord, D chord, and then the D sus2, taking away that middle finger to make sure that you ring that out. I've got a free copy of the sheet if you want to just click the link below. There's some numbers on screen as well if you want my book, and I'll send it you for free. You know what to do. So go away and have a go with that. Make sure you get some consistency with the rhythm hand. It's very easy to play an easy song wrong, and I know that sounds daft. The chord hand doesn't really have a lot to do, but you need to get some consistency on that rhythm hand. Go give it a go. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please hit your comments for future requests on my channel.